So many people throughout the ages, they say, well, look, the Eucharist is simply a symbol. The Lord is simply using poetic language. In response, you want to flag two passages from the Gospel of John. Gospel of John chapter 3 and the Gospel of John chapter 6. In the Gospel of John chapter 3, the Lord is talking about baptism. And in particular, what he says is that we're called to be born again. And you remember in the context of this particular story, he's talking to a Jewish leader, Nicodemus, and Nicodemus, he's confused. So he says, okay, I hear that you're inviting us to be born again. How can I be born again from my mother's womb? And you can just feel the Lord rolling his eyes. And he's like, no, I don't mean a physical rebirth, I mean a spiritual rebirth. And the point of the story is that the Lord is not above explaining that at times he uses poetic and symbolic language. You compare that, though, to John chapter 6. Unless you eat the flesh of the Son of Man and drink his blood, you will have no life within you. People are upset. They're thinking cannibalism, they're thinking the violation of various ritual purity laws. And so this is a key moment in the life of the church. People are threatening to walk away. And in fact, they do walk away, except for the original 12. And so Jesus at this point could say, oh no, I'm just kidding. I'm just using poetic and symbolic language. Please, don't leave. But instead, he doubles down. He intensifies his language. So what happens? Originally, he uses the word phage to describe how a human being eats, but then again, he doubles down. He intensifies his language. Later on, he uses the word trogein to describe how an animal gnaws and munches on its food. So how the dialogue plays out. Initially, the Lord says, unless you eat the flesh of the Son of Man and drink his blood, you have no life within you. They object. They balk at his words. He doubles down. Unless you gnaw and munch on the flesh of the Son of Man and drink his blood, you have no life within you. In other words, in this moment, I'm meaning what I'm saying, and I'm saying what I mean.